I-IC ithi iyenyanzeleka kuba ibakhupha abanye abagqatso abali-105 ngenxa yongathobeli imiqathango. Nangona kunjalo ithi inani labagqatso abazimeleyo liphezulu kakhulu kweli phondo.
There has been a surge in terms of the number of independent candidates who will be contesting. We have 70 independent candidates contesting throughout 21 of our municipalities.
Kanti amaqela ezopolitiko kweli phondo ahlaba ikhwelo kubavoti kuba baphume ngobuninzi kolunyulo.
We still have challenges here and there, and we are working very hard on the challenges to make sure that at least we have, this time around, we have better candidates, we have credible candidates, and we have the confidence that these candidates who will become councillors will make a difference in our communities.
The Patriotic Alliance seems to be targeting DA supporters, but we are confident that we have supporters that depends on the DA and that wants to see progress made by the DA in our councils. So we are not at all threatened. We have been working, like I said, diligently in preparation for these elections, and we are sure that we will see more councillors in the council this time again.
The Freedom Front has basically the same set of principles and the same message that we are working with since 1994, and that is that power should be exercised at near on the ground level as possible, and that communities have to take responsibility for what they want and what they want to have.
Kusenjalo i-IC sele ichonge abalawuli nabaza kusombulula iingxaki zabantu abanazo kolunyulo.